Hey gamers! Today we're diving into one of the most talked about retro gaming handhelds of the year, the Miyoo Mini Plus. If you're looking for the perfect portable emulation device that won't break the bank, you're in for a treat. This tiny powerhouse is making waves in the retro gaming community, and for good reason. At just over 4 inches tall, the Miyoo Mini Plus packs serious gaming potential in a pocket-sized package. Let's break down why this might be your next favorite gadget. First up, that gorgeous 3.5-inch IPS display. We're talking vibrant colors, excellent viewing angles, and a sharp 640 by 480 resolution that makes your favorite retro games look better than ever. The screen's aspect ratio is perfect for classic games, from Nintendo to PlayStation titles. Speaking of gaming performance, this little beast handles everything from 8-bit classics to PlayStation games smoothly. The dual-core processor ensures your games run without any annoying lag or frame drops. Whether you're racing in Mario Kart or exploring in Final Fantasy, the experience is buttersmooth. The ergonomics are where the Mini Plus really shines. Those clicky buttons and responsive D-pad feel amazing. No mushy controls here. The shoulder buttons are perfectly placed, and the overall build quality is surprisingly premium for the price point. Battery life is impressive too. You're looking at 4 to 6 hours of gaming on a single charge. The USB-C charging means you can quickly top up and get back to gaming. The custom Onion OS interface is a game changer. It's intuitive, customizable, and makes managing your game library a breeze. Plus, features like save states and screen filters give you modern conveniences in your retro gaming experience. For those wondering about portability, this thing is seriously pocket-friendly. It's smaller than most smartphones, making it perfect for gaming on the go. At under $100 on Amazon, the Miyoo Mini Plus offers incredible value for retro gaming enthusiasts. Whether you're reliving childhood classics or discovering retro games for the first time, this handheld delivers an amazing experience. Outro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more retro gaming content. Drop a comment below with your favorite retro game. I'd love to know what you're playing on your Miyoo Mini Plus.